name is Gavin Burke and I'm from Future Audio Workshop, and we're here at the Messe presenting Circle, which is our first software synthesizer. Circle is based on making software synthesis simple so that someone can start to make sounds in an easy way. The main concept is that you have a modulation output circle and that you can drag and drop it to any destination that has a knob. So as you can see there, I'm just moving a circle around and it's affecting the sound. To make a connection, you just finish in that manner. Set the amount, just move this big slider in an easy fashion. You can choose many different wave shapes. You can crossfade between the wave shapes in a simple way. Select different wave shapes, change the rate. Circle comes with 4 oscillators. Each of these oscillators can either be an analog type oscillator or a wavetable oscillator. The wavetable oscillators can be selected and changed in this manner. I can give you some sound. Just lower down those, double click and knob. And you can crossfade between the wavetables in an easy way like that, or even assign a modulation to the crossfade. So you can hear there that it's morphing between the 2 waveforms. We have a sound browser down here that allows you to organize your presets in a smart way. Rather than have a big long list of criteria, we decided to go for something that was more interesting for us as musicians. So we said decades would be quite unusual. 1970s, everybody knows what a 1970s synthesizer sounds like, so funky moog bass. 1980s, 2000s, 2010, that would be the Future Audio Workshop. We here have master effects, which you can turn on in an easy way. We also have a simple to use MIDI learn. Just click this big MIDI learn button to turn on the learn mode. Click on a knob, turn, and you've assigned your controller. Turn the knob again, hit the switch again, and it's turned off. So all in all, it's very easy to use and simple. And what you will find is that when you start to use Circle, you'll start to experiment with sounds in different ways, because all these things are so easy to do that if you have an idea of how to connect up something, that you just go and do it rather than, getting stuck with right clicks and more complicated connections of cables and all that kind of stuff. And even just the envelope there, you can see that we have a kind of a point that shows you where you are in the envelope, which is also very useful. So just turn on the mouth filter. So you can, start to experiment with sounds in a new way and make it very easy for the user to start to explore sound design, rather than having something that's very complex and confusing, which I think is the case with some software synthesizers at the moment.